You know what this
Get out of
is?
there. What?
Today we're going to go see a water buffalo.
You can go.
It's time for you to wake up.
No.
Yes. Where are we going today, honey?
Somewhere where you're forcing me by, now against my will. I'm being forced against my will. Please send the Air Force. Track us.
Okay, but where are we really going?
Water Buffalo Farm.
Yeah.
Not in Africa. In Tampa, right?
To do what?
To get water buffalo milk, which has twice the fat content of a cow's milk, but better kind of fat. Is that right? I don't know.
It's less cholesterol.
I hear some of the things you're saying. Twice the milk fat, less cholesterol.
Correct. Good job.
Hooray!
And what am I going to do with it? We're not driving an hour and a half just so we can have milk for drinking.
Right. You're going to make. You're gonna make it get moldy.
Steve, when I'm making cheese.
Yeah, doesn't cheese get moldy? That's how you make cheese.
All right, whatever.
Yes.
Bye-bye. The hard part is going to be coming home and getting all this done today.
Why do you get it done today? Just put it in the fridge.
I can't do that. That's not the way cheese works. This is raw milk. It's got active bacteria, and I got to make the cheese within a few hours of milking.
This is insane. You're doing this on one day's notice. So we're gonna go home and you're gonna start cheese making.
Yeah. Let's just go in.
All right, Eco Farm. Here it is, water buffalo. Wow, look at you, big boy.
That's the bull.
Oh yeah.
and he's a little small for, matter of fact, the last cow we butchered, we just couldn't inseminate, so
Oh.
but she wasn't the best dairy cow either. So it's
Hi.
Oh my gosh, Stephen, they're so beautiful.
Hi. My God.
hey baby.
Yeah.
You know, we actually keep the cow with the calf the whole process.
Sorry.
What'd you do?
I just got close.
Yeah,
that's
he was
all.
probably like, wait, we gotta get back here.
We can go
Beautiful.
So they're very gentle, and the calves are well trained as far. I mean, we
Right.
don't put halters on them, but we have to put them up every night, and then we milk the mother, and then put the calf back on there.
Oh, beautiful.
So if we, have too much milk, we really don't have to milk all of them or whatever.
Right.
And then we only have to milk once a day. Now she was one of the ones. She was her mother was for a cow. It's like in a socket, like a tooth.
Okay, gotcha.
So the horns are long. And then they have the dewlap.
Are you coming to me?
The camel hump on their chest, the brisket.
Come on, boy. Come on, girl. Come on, girl. Up.
There's no food. I'm gonna get out of here.
Yeah. Thanks for nothing. I'm out. Yeah.
They were there, kind of sneak up behind you.
And back off and.
Yeah. And the bull's real funny. Like if you're on a golf cart, they'll start chasing you, jump up in the air like, "Woo! Look at I'm scared."
Are these the Nile water buffalo?
Well, they're river.
River.
There's a river and a swamp, and you can tell the difference. The river, the horns go down first, and then they come up. So the swamp would be straight up.
So these might be the same ones same type from Egypt, maybe?
Yeah,
They don't have swamp.
These were actually in, I guess, Trinidad, which what was the French, and they had dealings in Africa and stuff,
And they brought him over.
Yeah, and then there was at the University of Florida, professor was working on pest plant control, and he's the one that brought them to Florida, because I guess it's illegal to import them to the United States.
Huh.
It's beautiful. They're beautiful. And I guess my wife's very happy because I guess water buffalo milk has
More fat.
more fat
yeah.
and less cholesterol than cow's milk.
Well, whatever it is, but it is a lot more fat. Depending, like if it was raining and it was spring, you can get like a pound of butter out of a gallon of milk. So that's like
Gotcha.
one out of 8. So it's over, I think 12.5%. But they say it's around 8%.
skittish, right?
Well, it'll, you know, and even this one here, if she has a baby, you got to kind of be careful. I mean, they wouldn't gore.
People, big news. Look at this. It says cheese, 16-hour timer. We're down to 12 hours and 49. We have going on. Hello. All right. Just tell me what you're doing right now.
Making ricotta
From
from the leftover whey.
the whey from what?
From the cheese that I made.
Which cheese?
The Roumy, the Roumy cheese.
And what do you make that from?
Water, buffalo milk.
Ah. So it's not just one cheese we're making from our water buffalo milk adventure. It's two.
Well, you take the whey and you can make ricotta from whey.
Very nice. So are you going to tell me what's coming up in 12 hours and 49 minutes?
Well, then the cheese, the hard cheese that I made, is finished pressing.
Oh, nice. Finished pressing. All right, thank you for the information, young lady. Appreciate it.
Bye-bye.
Say goodbye.
Bye.
My converted laundry room, which is now a cheese making area. Hello, dear. How are you?
Hi. We're just flip the cheese disc. We're pressing it in the molds.
Under what kind of pressure?
I put 30 this time.
30 pounds of pressure. Okay.
So I'm
and you're flipping it, why?
Because I want it to, you know, we're pressing out the whey. So this way, by turning it a couple of times, it gets an even pressure.
Nice.
And also I spread out this cheesecloth, or I like take out the wrinkles from the cheesecloth, and I, you know, just remold it so that it's nice and even. And you see the curds are knitting together. You see, so this started out all as tiny, tiny, tiny curds, like the size of cottage cheese.
And now they're all becoming like one.
They're knitted, yeah.
Yes, like the Borg in Star Trek.
Okay.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
And then
we
put it here. We put the follower. This is the follower.
Okay.
And then we put the weight on top.
There we go.
It's a little uneven. All right,
Okay.
so maybe I'll just, okay.
20 pounds.
This
Bam. There you go. Oh, 30 pounds. There you go. Look at you. All right. The old-fashioned way, using athletic weights. All right. The cheese making continues.
Yep.
We started early this morning. It's now late at night, and you're looking over the whole sink like I don't know, but say goodbye.
Goodbye.
Crazy girl.